Hello, this is Celebrity Talk with Q. Q is the host of this vlog. Today on Celebrity Talk, we love Big Bird. Governor Mitt Romney referenced Big Bird in the debate last night with President Barack Obama. Well, we love Big Bird. Big Bird has been around since 1969. He's a main character on the children's television show Sesame Street and is an 8-foot, 2-inch tall, bright primrose-yellow bird. And we love him, and we love his loving personality. He can roller skate, ice skate, dance, sing, write poetry, draw, and even ride a bike. He lives in a large nest behind 123 Sesame Street and has a teddy bear named Radar. He's also one of the 2 Muppets who have a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. This star was attained for the 1985 movie Sesame Street Presents Follow That Bird. He also appeared in numerous series, episodes, and non-speaking appearances. For over 4 decades, he helped children with their learning, fun, and growing. See why we love Big Bird? So despite what Mitt Romney had to say about him, we love Big Bird. Thank you guys for tuning in, and please subscribe. Goodbye.